Hi guys, welcome to my show, Amber Slimy Slime again. So today I'm recording by myself and I got a little scratcher. So first we start off with blue tack. It's like sticky tack, except they call it blue tack, so I call it blue tack. And then here we go to make it into like butter slime or something like that, or like cloud slime. Then you get some lotion, any kind of lotion. I put some on my blue tack, as you can see the white. And then now, I'm going to mix it. It might be too sticky, so you can use some water if it's too sticky. And then I already finished it off. Look, it's like cloud slime or snow slime. It's like cloud slime. And then it might be really sticky. You don't need to put in the container, but then when it gets hard again, you could add more lotion to it. Just getting all the lotion off of me. Just recording by myself. And please subscribe down below so that I can add all my slimes together. I do not have any subscribe yet, but I hope you guys subscribe. And look, so stretchy. And if you don't know where blue tack is from, or sticky tack, whatever you call it, then you could buy it from Staples. I bought it from Staples. And then also, always add glitter. I already add some glitter. I'm going to go add some more. So just follow me. Actually, I'm not. So that's how it will look like. So bye guys. So subscribe down below at Amber Slimy Slime and have a very fun day. Bye.